Good day class, welcome in your English online class. So in today's class we are going to start our exercise 7.8 related to the topic pronouns and its kinds. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. Now you have to use interrogative pronouns like who, whom, which, what, etc. So let us start. Dash won the match. So it's quite simple to choose who won the match. Next is Dash was on the phone. Again, who was on the phone? Phone पर कौन था? Who means कौन? Next is for Dash is the gift. For whom is the gift? Whom means किसके लिए? यह गिफ्ट किसके लिए है? For whom is the gift? At number 4, dash of the Harry Potter books should I read first? So we know that for non-living things we use which. Which of the Harry Potter book should I read first? Harry Potter की कौन सी बुक मुझे सबसे पहले पढ़नी चाहिए? At number 5, with dash are you doing the science project? With whom? तुम किसके साथ साइंस का प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो? At number 6, what are your suggestions for the annual day functions? What means क्या? आपकी एनुअल डे फंक्शंस के लिए क्या सुजेशंस हैं? क्या आपके सुझाव हैं? At number 7, whom should we invite for talk? हमें किसको टॉक के लिए इनवाइट करना चाहिए, बातचीत के लिए इनवाइट करना चाहिए? At number 8, who is the most intelligent boy in the class? क्लास में सबसे इंटेलिजेंट बॉय कौन है? At number 9, which is your favorite color? तुम्हारा फेवरेट कलर कौन सा है? So you will apply which. At number 10, which is your favorite cartoon character? तुम्हारा फेवरेट पसंदीदा कार्टून कैरेक्टर कौन सा है? Which stands for कौन सा? Now let's go for exercise number 7.9. Again it is related to reflective and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns. We have to apply R and E. Similarly, we also have to fill these pronouns. So let's start. Sneha has gone to buy dash a new pair of sandals. So class, we see that Sneha has gone to buy herself. Now, it's quite clear that herself is working as an object of the verb buy. Sneha has gone to buy herself a new pair of sandals. So, it is the reflexive case. I hope all of you enjoyed dash at the picnic. I hope all of you is, it means we are talking about plural, all of you enjoyed yourselves at the picnic. Again it is relating with the reflexive case of pronoun. Number 3, when my mother is not at home, I wash my clothes myself. जब मम्मी घर पर नहीं होती है तो मैं खुद अपने कपड़े धोती हूँ. मैं अपने कपड़े खुद धोती हूँ. Again it is presenting the case of reflexive pronoun. At number 4 class we are having do your work yourself. अपना काम स्वयं करो. Again it is working, yourself is working as an object of the verb work. So it will go with reflexive case of pronoun. At number 5, can doctors treat dash when they fall ill? Here we are having they. So we will follow they themselves. Now they is the plural case here. Can doctors treat themselves when they fall ill? क्या डॉक्टर खुद का इलाज कर सकते हैं जब वो बीमार होते हैं? So again it is giving us the case of reflexive pronoun. God help those who help themselves. भगवान उनकी मदद करते हैं जो अपनी मदद खुद करते हैं. God help those. So we will go with the themselves as the reflexive pronoun here. It will relate to the reflexive case. Atul made himself some tea and sat in the drawing room. Atul made himself. Again, himself is working as an object of the verb made. Atul made himself. So, it will go with the case of reflexive pronoun. Now, at number 8, we are having the old gentleman living in that house cooks all his meals himself. अगेन ओल्ड जेंटलमैन लिविंग इन दैट हाउस, वो ओल्ड आदमी जो उस हाउस घर में रहता है, कुक्स ऑल हिज मील्स हिमसेल्फ, अपना सारा खाना वो खुद बनाता है हिमसेल्फ. अगेन हिमसेल्फ इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्सिव केस. अब एट नंबर 9, मोहन हिमसेल्फ इज टू बी ब्लेम्ड फॉर दिस accident. Now Mohan himself. Now himself is indicating the subject. Mohan himself. So it is emphasizing on the subject. So it will belong to the emphatic case. Emphatic relates to emphasis. Emphasis जब हम देते हैं subject पर. Next is she herself is responsible for all her misfortunes. She herself. Again herself is paying emphasis on the subject she. So it will relate to the emphatic case. I hope the exercise is quite clear to you. Now let's move forward towards exercise number 7.10. In the fill in the blanks, choosing the best suitable pronoun. Now you have to choose the best pronoun among the given options. At first place, would you like dash to drink? Would you like something to drink? Ravi bought dash from the shop as he didn't like anything. Ravi bought nothing from the shop as he didn't like anything. Next is, has dash of the guest arrived? Has any of the guest arrived? I think dash is knocking at the door. I think someone is knocking at the door. Number 5 class, let us buy dash cheap vegetable from this market. Let us buy some cheap vegetables from this market. This arithmetic problem is very simple. Dash can do it. Someone, somebody, anybody or nobody. So anybody can do it. बहुत आसान है ये arithmetic की problem. कोई भी इसे कर सकता है. Many people were sent invitations for the function, but dash actually turned up. But few एक्चुअली टर्नड अप. बहुत लोगों को इन्विटेशन दिया था लेकिन बहुत ही कम लोग आए थे, फ्यू. एट नंबर 8 वी आर हैविंग डैश और द अदर विल ऑलवेज कंप्लेन यू कांट सेटिस्फाई एवरीवन. somebody, you will go with somebody or the other will always complain. कोई ना कोई हमेशा कंप्लेन करता रहेगा, आप सभी को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, so it's quite easy to choose the correct option among the given options. Only you have to read the sentence carefully. Now let's do exercise number 7.11. It's again so interesting and easy. It is relating to our reflexive pronoun which we have done very well. I take care of, I will go with myself. I take care of myself. Next is, we decorated that flat. Now so we will go with ourselves, not ourself. It ourselves. Plural case will go with plural possessive reflexive pronoun. She has cut bread. Now she will go with herself. Herself. Now class, in reflexive pronoun or in emphatic pronoun we use the word self. We have noticed it, but we have to choose that whether the word is emphasizing on the subject or it is working as an object of the verb. They jumped from the roof. They jumped from the roof themselves. You answered yourself. Now you will go with yourself. We prepared this project ourselves. Now we, plural subject is here, ourselves. I sent this SMS myself. I will go with myself. He understood this theorem himself. If she is applied, then we will go with herself. I can ride the bike myself. We can't do this task ourselves. Tina has broken this vase herself. They can translate this text themselves. He explained the car himself and he repaired the car himself. She worked in the garden herself. You have torn the letter yourself. So class, this was your exercise number 7.11 part A. Now we are having part B of this exercise, again related to interesting reflexive pronoun, dealing with the self word but working as an object in the sentence. So let us start. My birthday is the heading. My birthday was on Sunday and I decided to decorate our flat myself. I colored the paper and made beautiful circles to put them on the walls. I drew funny faces myself and put them on the chairs. सभी कुछ बर्थडे पर उसने खुद ही किया. My mother helped me to lay the table. She cooked a very tasty cake herself and put it in the middle of the table. मदर ने हेल्प की थी उसकी एंड बहुत ही टेस्टी केक बनाया था मदर ने. शी कुक्ड अ वेरी टेस्टी केक हर सेल्फ, खुद बनाया था उन्होंने और उसे टेबल के बीच में रख दिया था. आई अरेंज्ड द प्लेट्स, द फॉक्स, द नाइव्स एंड द कप्स माई सेल्फ. ये सब कुछ मैंने खुद अरेंज किया. माई ब्रदर प्रेजेंटेड मी अ न्यू iPod with lovely music. When my friends came, we listened to the music, ate cake, drank tea and talked. We enjoyed ourselves on my birthday. So class, it's quite interesting to go through the paragraph as well. I hope that the exercises are quite clear to you. While doing, try to do it by your own to have good grasp on the topic. Thanks for watching the video class. Thanks to all. Good.